Hey everybody, it's Hailey, and today we are making a Christmassy toffee chocolate bark, and it's gonna be really delicious and easy, so let's get started. First, I'm gonna melt half a cup or 1 stick of salted butter. You can also use unsalted. Then after you melt the butter, we're gonna add in a cup of brown sugar and a little bit of salt. And then just keep stirring this. You wanna stir it almost constantly until it all melts together and it bubbles. Okay, now my toffee is done, and I'm gonna pour it onto this parchment lined baking sheet. And I'm just gonna spread this out a little bit, and then we're gonna wait for this to harden. Okay, so I also have 1.5 cups of chocolate chips that I have melted here. You can do this by microwaving your chocolate for 30 seconds at a time, stirring in between. And I'm gonna pour this on top of the toffee. Ooh, chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. All right, then I'm gonna use my mini offset spatula to spread this chocolate evenly over the top of the toffee. And I hope that I melted this correctly, because you have to melt your chocolate a certain way in order for it to be snappy. I forget what that's called. Oh, temper. Wait, temper? Temper the chocolate? Yeah. So we might not have snappy chocolate, but it's still gonna taste good. I'm trying to make this very easy, so don't worry about the temperatures. Okay. Once that's all evenly spread out, this is the time where you use your artistic vision and get creative. And we're gonna put like little Rudolphs all around this by using these candy eyeballs, and then a little red M&M for the nose, and some broken up pretzel pieces. Okay, the reindeer bark is done chilling. I stuck it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. And now you can either break it up or you can cut it up. Don't worry, I just washed my hands. I also added some extra pretzels around it, so there's extra crunch. And ta-da! The reindeer bark is all done, and now we're gonna try it. My hands are a little messy, chocolatey. I think I could have left it in the fridge a little bit longer, just because the chocolate's still kind of melty, but it'll be fine. This is so good. Well, thank you so much for baking with me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button so you don't miss any Christmas recipes and Christmas videos. And my hands are really messy, I'm sorry. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.